Good morning, students. As you all know, we were doing chapter 11, algebraic expression. We have already studied about the term monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, factors, degree, these things which we have studied in the previous exercise. Now we will start operations of algebraic expressions. First one is the addition. Addition on algebraic expression. Addition of algebraic expression. The thing which you have to keep it in mind while doing addition or subtraction. While doing addition or subtraction, you have to look like terms. You have to find like terms. Followed? And the thing is, what are the like terms? Like terms means terms with same variable and power. Terms with the same variable and powers are like terms. Now you have to find these things, like terms, and then we will act according to the sign and according to the other rules. First rule while doing the performing the addition. First rule is the horizontal method. Horizontal method. In the horizontal method, what we people will do, we are given with the algebraic expression. I will explain with the example. Let us suppose x plus 12 y plus 3 and question is add this algebraic expression and 5x minus 3y plus 7. There are two algebraic expressions and the method we are performing as the horizontal method. In the horizontal method, what we have to do, write down the first algebraic expression. As the question is about the addition, so add. Right? Now collect the like terms. First step is collect like terms. Like terms means same variable with same power. Same variable with same power. These are the like terms. First step is you have to collect the like terms. So here we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 terms are there and you have to collect the like term, which first one is the variable x. ठीक है, right? Variable x. There is another more term with the variable x and power 1. Here is the variable x with power 1. No power means power 1, right? Find out another term which has the variable x with power 1. This is the 5x. And we can collect and write these two terms together. Collect like terms. So I have collected x and 5x, both are the like terms. For the next variable, the second term is there is no other term with the variable x. Next is the variable y. I will write 12y. Find out another term which contains the variable y with the power 1 irrespective of the sign and the numerical coefficient. We do not deal in the like term, we are not dealing with the sign and numerical coefficient, we only run after the variable and the power. Same variable with same power. So 12y is there, y is required, y raised to power 1. There is another term, here another term minus 3y. Y power 1. Right? Then the other thing is we are having the constant plus 3. Is there any other constant? Yes, we have another constant, that is plus 7. To write as it is with the signs. Whatsoever sign are given in the question, you should write that. You can't allow to change the signs. So this is plus 1 plus 5. +1 and +5 according to your chapter integers. Now act according to the integers. Okay, +1 +5 is +6 and variable x you should write along. This is a solution of +5 1x and +5x. It is +6x. Next is the variable y. 12 minus 3 plus 12 minus 3. Opposite signs are there. Opposite sign means subtraction. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 and variable is y. But what is the sign of 9? 12 and 3. 12 is greater. Greater has the sign plus. So 9 has the sign plus. This is again constants 3 and 7. Both are having same sign +3 +7. Same signs addition. It is 10. Sign to the answer greater term. 7 is the greater, so +10. Result is 6x plus 9y plus 10. I will take one more example. This is the horizontal method. Followed, this is horizontal method and you are doing the question in one line, single line. Now I will take one more example. -2x square y plus 3xy square minus 2xy z, and this is one trinomial or a polynomial, or you can say algebraic expression. Then I will take another 3xyz minus 4 plus 4x square y minus 3xy square, and third expression I will take also -7xy square minus 4x square y minus 3xy z. Right, now you have to add these three algebraic expressions in horizontal method. In horizontal method. In the horizontal method, the first is from the question I will pick directly. First is -2x square y. I will write -2x square y. Now you have to find, is there any other term which contains x square y? You have to look search for the x square y like term. You have to run through the question and find out where are the other terms containing x square and y. This is the term containing x square y. So I will write for x square y. Sign and coefficient as it is. Is there any other term containing x square y? You should check. This is xy square, this is xy square, this is x square y. So -4x square y. This is 3xyz, which is not x square y. So three terms are having x square y, x square y and x square y. Next one is xy square. Xy square plus 3. Here the space is less, so I will write down plus 3xy square plus 3xy square. Now you have to find the other term, like term, which have the variable xy square. Same variable, same power. I am repeating again and again, same variable, same power are the like terms. So variable xy power 2, y power 2, xy power 2. This is the term containing xy power 2. Then this is also the term containing xy power 2. I will write this first, 3xy power 2 and -7xy power 2. Then again I have little space. I will come down for the third term with the -2xyz. All the three variables in multiplication with 1 power. Is there any other term? Is there any other term containing xyz? There, here it is plus 3xyz. This is not xyz, this is not xyz, this is not xyz, this is not xyz, this is xyz, 3xyz. So I combined all the like terms. First like term for x square y, second like term for xy square, third for xyz. Now all these three are the like terms. these three are the like terms, these three are the like terms. Now what you have to do, you have to act according to the signs. Now minus 2 plus 4, I will do here minus 2 plus 4 minus 4, minus 2 plus 4 minus 4, plus 4 minus 4 out, you are left with minus 2. So it is minus 2x square y, minus 2x square. After solving all the three coefficients, minus 2 plus 4 minus 4, I will get minus 2x square y. For xy square, second next terms are plus 3 minus 7. I will do it in the rough. Plus 3 minus 3 and minus 7. Plus 3 minus 3 minus 7. Plus 3 minus 3 out, and you are left with minus 7. Then for the last x, y, z, for the last x, y, z, minus 2 coefficients are minus 2 plus 3 minus 3, minus 2 plus 3 minus 3, plus 3 minus 3 out, you are left with minus 2 x, y, z. This is your answer in horizontal method. Followed? The thing is, you have to collect the like terms and then act according to the signs. So it is in chapter integer is also revised here. You just think that this is the revision of integer chapter together with the algebra. The next is second method is column method for addition only. Column method for addition only. Column method is again for addition, in which you have to write the algebraic terms, say like terms below under one another in this form. If we are having the add in column method, 2a square minus 3ba plus 7 comma 2 3ab minus 3a square minus 7. Third trinomial is minus 3 minus 2ab plus 3a square. Followed? These are the terms. These are the algebraic expressions. Three algebraic expressions we are given, and how will we do in the column method? The first one is the a square term. Write down 2a square. Write down first algebraic expression minus 3ba plus 7. Right? Now from the second algebraic expression, the first term is plus 3ab. Plus 3ab. AB and BA are the same things. AB and BA are same thing in algebra. So 3ab will comes under like terms. Minus 3a square, it will goes to a square. Minus 3a square, these are the like terms. Then minus 7 is the constant. You have to write one under the other. Minus 3 is the constant under the constant. Minus 2ab under the ab plus 3a square plus 3a square. Now add. Each term is added. It is not that 7 and 7 is 14, 4 comes here and 1 goes there. No, write down 14 here if you get the answer. Plus 7 minus 7 are out, so you are left with minus 3. Here plus 3ab minus 3ab out, you are left with minus 2ab. Here plus 3a square minus 3a square out, you are left with 2a square. And this is your answer in column method. Both the methods are the same. In both the types, horizontal or column method, you have to arrange the like terms together. If we are dealing with the horizontal method, you should have to write terms, like terms in this way. In the column method, you have to write like terms in downward method. Now the next topic is subtraction. How to do the subtraction of the algebraic expression. Same algebraic expression also having subtraction, also having two method. One is horizontal and other is column method. The question will come like this: subtract, you are given with the algebraic expression. Let us, I will take the example from your book. Subtract 18ab square c, 18ab square c plus 23ab square plus 23ab square minus b cube. Subtract this from 23ab square c minus 9b cube. You have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. You have to subtract this algebraic expression from this algebraic expression. When the question is like this, I will give you some tips. Subtract first number from second number. How will you write? You should write second number at the first place. Second number at first place. Then sign of minus. Then first number. This is how you have performed. Now, if your question is subtract 12 from 24, what you people will do? 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. 24 is the second number. You should write it on the first place. So second, the number which are in the statement, the number which are given in the second position, you should write at the first place during doing the calculation. Minus sign is there because subtraction, and then you can write the first number and then perform the same way we people have to do in the algebraic. What we have to do? We have to do the second algebraic expression first, and then sign of minus, and then first algebraic expression. Followed? Second algebraic expression solution. Second algebraic expression at the first place. Then sign of minus. Minus because subtraction is there. Second algebraic expression at the first place, then sign of minus, and then first algebraic expression. 18ab square c plus 23ab square minus b cube. Follow my point. When the question is subtract first algebraic expression from second algebraic expression, what you have to do? You have to write the second algebraic expression at the first place, sign of minus, and then first algebraic expression. Now next step is you should write the first bracket as it is. Followed? First bracket as same 23 ab square c minus 9b cube minus 9b. Write down the first bracket as it is. For the second bracket, what you have to do is to change the signs. Here 18 has no sign, it is plus. When this minus is multiplied to plus, it becomes minus 18ab square c. This minus multiplied to this minus multiplied to this plus, it becomes minus 23ab square. Then this minus is multiplied to this minus, it becomes plus b cube. Follow my point. You have to change the signs of the second bracket. Here 18ab square c is plus. Here 18ab square c is minus. Here 23ab square is plus. Here 23ab square is minus. And here minus b cube. Here is plus b cube. Why? Because all the sign inside the second bracket are multiplied by this minus. This minus is because of formula. Now again the same thing. Collect the like terms as we are performing the horizontal method. Collect the like terms horizontally. Write down the first 23a b square c. This is there any term? Yeah, minus 18a b square c. Like terms, variable a b square c, variable a b square c, simple. Then 9b cube minus 9b cube. Is there any term containing b cube? Yeah, here it is plus b cube. And 1 2 3 4 5, we are having 1 2 3 4 fifth left. This one is left. It is minus 23ab square. Now solve the numerical coefficients. 23 sign plus, 18 sign minus. Opposite signs are there. Opposite signs are there means subtraction. 23 minus 18 is 5. Sign is of 23 plus a b square c. Write down the variables as it is. These two terms are the like. Minus 9 and there is no coefficient, it means it has the 1. Minus and plus, opposite signs are there, so subtraction is there. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, it is 8b cube. But what about the sign? 9 is greater than 1 and 9 has the sign minus, so larger term has the sign minus, and to the answer it is sign minus. This is the single term, it does not have any like term, so this is right as it is, and this is your answer. This is the horizontal method. And now column method. The second method of subtraction is column method. In the addition and subtraction, what you have to do, you just have to take out the like terms. Like terms means variables and powers are the same. Variables and powers must be same. Then only you will get the like terms. Why I am repeating again and again? This is the where the students are generally wrong. They do not consider same variable with same powers. You have to pick the same variables with same powers. Column method. Column method statement is subtract 5a cube b minus 4ab square minus 3abc from minus 14a cube b minus 52ab square plus 17abc. Right. This is your statement and you have to use the column method. How will we use the column method? Column method means say like terms under one each other. Like terms under each other. Okay. But the thing again is, for the subtraction you have to write the second expression at the first place. For the subtraction you have to write second algebraic expression at the first place, because question is subtract this from this. From word means you have to take this as at the first position. It is minus 14a cube b minus 52ab square plus 17ab c. Now write down the first algebraic expression with proper like terms. 5a cube b ab square minus 4ab square minus 3ab. Change the statement here, abc. Now what you have to do in the column method is change the sign of second term, second algebraic expression. Change the signs of second algebraic, change the sign of algebraic expression which is below. We have to change the sign of the algebraic expression which is below. This is upper, this is lower. So below is this, or you can say the lower one, right? You have to change the sign of this expression. Change of sign of this expression. This is plus 5, I will change it to minus 5. This is plus 4, sorry, minus 4, I will change into minus 4. Change of sign in the algebraic expression in column method is compulsory. Change of sign of the lowest algebraic expression in subtraction is compulsory. Now act according to the changed signs. First thing is change the sign. Second thing is, first thing was change the signs of lowest algebraic expression. Change the signs of lowest, lower, not lowest, lower algebraic expression. Now second step is act according to changed sign. According to changed sign. Now besides it is given plus 5aqb, but now no more you can consider it as plus. It is minus 14 and minus 5. This is minus 52 and plus 4. It is not minus 4. Besides in the question it is given minus 4, but now we have changed. The method applies and we have changed. Act according to the changed sign. This is plus 17 and plus 3. Followed? Minus 14, minus 5. Leave this sign now. Leave this sign now. Plus and minus. Leave this sign now. Both are plus. So you can get minus 14 minus 5 is minus 19 a cube b. Don't need to write this. I am just explaining this. Minus 19 a cube b. Here it is minus 52 minus 4 is 48. Why opposite signs are there? Minus and plus. 52 minus 4 is 48. Sign to the answer is of the largest term, ab square. Here same signs are there. 17 plus 3 20 abc. So this is the answer. I hope and I feel that you people understand addition and subtraction properly. What you have to do is to run after the like terms. Okay, for addition you just take the like term and act according to the sign and according to the signs. For the subtraction, subtract this, from terms, the term which is after the word from will appear at the first place. Then write down the second term and in the column method change the sign of the second lower algebraic expression. Second algebraic expression and change the sign of second algebraic expression and then act according to the changed sign. This is the rule and this is the key thing. Maximum students, what they are not doing, they do not change the signs in subtraction where they are wrong. Keep it in your mind and try your best to solve exercise 11.2. Thank you.